What is up, guys? It's your man Jay, and I am back again. Finally got my true wireless style earbuds in from One More. Now, this presentation is going to be exactly like what you think it is. It's going to have the box where it opens up nice and clean, and I'll show you what that looks like. But 6.5 hours of battery life out of this thing, plus you get fast charging. So you can get up to 24 hours with the case. And that's really good. 3.5 hours of use in only 15 minutes of charge, man. And look at this. Here we go with the same presentation. These are awesome. I already tore the plastic off that it was in. I'm really pumped about this. Got the little peel in here. So let's pull this up here. From this side. Opens up like so. I'm going to pull this out. Very nice. Very nice. Put that aside. You got the nice little One More box right here, and you got the micro USB there. Not fan of that, but what can you do? Nice big chambers there. So I'm gonna put this aside for a second. Let's pull this up. Let's see what we get here. Opens from here. One More has the best presentation, and man, when I tell you, they have every type of earbud in here. Size and everything. I bet this is a pouch. Yep. And then you also get this is crazy how they take care of you, but for the price, remember, One More is about that premium life. So you know, these are 119 bucks if you're wondering. You've got some more books down here. Yeah, you got, where are my One More stickers? Booyah, there they are. You just got more stuff down here that nobody, you're not going to read that. Don't act like you're going to read that. No one's going to read that. But this is what you came for. And again, the presentation is on and popping with One More, man. They really do bring the thunder. Look at this. Very nice, very nice. We're going to get all this cleaned up. I got to clean up. I'm just going to do it right now. Let's throw all this aside. Get over there. Here we are. Here are the One More true wireless earbuds. Gotta say, I'm kind of digging this. These are definitely not as for what I also a little magnet right there in these, because it's a magnet in here. But let's see here, it goes in like that and like that, and you can see they are charging because this case is already charged. Close it up. You probably got some kind of light somewhere or not. No light anywhere, but they are charging. So when you open it up, you can see that it's charging. So let me get something to hook these to. And let's see here. Let's go here. Let's go here. Look at all this stuff. Look at all my cars, the Jaybirds, the AirPods, my radar detector, everything. So we're gonna go ahead and sync these, and there's little buttons on the back of them right there. And that is how it goes. So I just tapped it once, and it went into a pairing mode right there. As you can see, it's flashing red, and there they are right there. So it is now connected. In goes that ear. And then probably when I take this one out, it should automatically connect. And they are connected, it appears. Let me pause the music for a minute. The noise canceling is on point with these things, man. They sound really, really good. As far as comfort goes, fit, the default buds that are on here actually feel pretty good. No problem with it so far. The feel of them they're good, man. They're already 100% charged, so these should last me for another 6.5 hours off the charge, hopefully. But 15 minutes again gets you 3.5 hours to charge. So the finish, the feel, they feel good. The sound quality is good. I guess like most One More products, what you could expect is a premium price tag. Now, I'll have a link in the description so you can pick up yours, but these are definitely competitors to my AirPods and things like that. They're competitors to all of my wireless earbuds that I have. One thing I will say about these is they sound really good without any kind of application to do with them. And that's kind of a shot at Jaybird. I love my Jaybird runs, but without the Jaybird Run app, you don't get the quality sound that you get from the earbuds. So that's kind of a downside now that I'm trying all these different earbuds and everything. And most earbuds, like the AirPods, don't require an app. These don't require an app. They sound good. The fit and finish of them, the feel in ear, it's pretty awesome. Back to the music. Well, one thing's for certain is these sound awesome. I'll give you a follow-up later on, probably on battery life. Most of the time when I get these earbuds and things in that are Bluetooth, today's world, the battery life is actually what they say it is, but I'll have to follow up again because true wireless earbuds sometimes lose connection, which means one will be connected, the other one will drop off during video playback or music playback. But I gotta tell you, I really like these. I'll leave a link down in the description where you can shop and look at any of the One More websites, earbuds and earphones. There's a code down there that you can use across the website. Use the code and get a discount on these. Most of the earbuds that I post, you get 10% off when you use my code. So I would say check those out, but these are the truth, man. They are really, really nice. I'm gonna get back and listen to some music, but I appreciate you guys stopping by. It's your man, Jay Will, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.